Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the puzzle named Made in China. This puzzle was designed by Jean Claude Constantin from Germany. Difficulty level of the Made in China puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts into the tray. And yes, the name of the puzzle is Made in China. It is not a typo, it is really the name of the puzzle since it can really drive you mad when solving the puzzle. The reason is quite simple, since there are only 4 pieces in this puzzle and it looks like quite easy to fit them inside. But if you take a closer look at the tray, you will find that it looks too small and it really not enough space here to fit all parts. Since, for example, these 2 pieces, they fit very nice together in this corner, and it seems like I can put this part on top, but then there is not enough, just a little bit to fit the 3rd piece, and there is no space for the last piece. And if you take a closer look at all parts, you will find that they are unique, they have completely different shapes, and that's what makes this puzzle quite difficult to solve. You can rearrange the parts. For example, you can put this piece a little bit in a different way, but then you can't fit this part. There is not enough, just a little bit. And every time when you will be very close to solving the puzzle, you will find that something is wrong and you have to figure out another approach how to solve the puzzle. So it really can drive you mad. If you like how this puzzle looks, and I think it looks quite amazing, since it's not only an interesting puzzle to solve, but it's also quite a nice showpiece which you can put on your desk. So if you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.